Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Leetcode Problems in 1 minute part 3. So here's the problem, reversed a linked list. So what we want to do is convert a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So how we're going to start is we have an initial input of self and head, and we're initially going to set p, a pointer, equal to head, and q, a pointer, equal to none. Next, what we want to do is we want to start looping through the list. So that's what we do while p. Then we're going to set r equal to p.next, which sets head pointing to r. Next, what we need to do is we need to set p.next equal to q, which points the head to the none. Then we want to exchange the head and set q to the head. Finally, all we need to do is we need to set p to the next node r. And the last step is we just return q as the head. Let's run it, and here are the results. Thanks, that's all I got. Like and comment for what you want to see next.